Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Law Maharaj Strive for Excellence. In this series of classes, we will learn and discuss about some important legal maxims which are very important not only for the judiciary but also for the other legal competitive exams. So let's start the video. The first one is ab initio mundi, which means from the beginning of the world. The facts which exist from the very beginning of the world will be termed as ab initio mundi. Right? The next one is, I believe you all are very well aware of this legal maxim, which is very common in criminal law. That is actus non facit reum nisi mancit rea. No act is guilty unless accompanied by a guilty mind. Which means in criminal justice system, the person will not be held guilty unless he has a guilty mind. If the person has done some act, if the person has done some act, but the mind of this person was not guilty, which means in ignorance of fact the act has been committed. So in that scenario, that will not constitute any crime. Actus non facit reum nisi mancit rea is the basis of criminal justice. So the next is actio damni injuria, an action for damages. When we file any civil suit for damages, when our legal right has been infringed, we generally used to file any civil suit for the damages. That suit will be termed as actio damni injuria. Right? Right. So the next one is actus curiae nemnum gravit. An act of court will prejudice no one. As we all are aware of the fact that in India we have adversarial system of justice. Both the parties have their own counsels. In state offences, public prosecutor; in civil offences, both the private counsels used to be there inside the court while hearing of some particular matter. And the judge will act as an umpire. So this meaning of this legal maxim is actus curiae neminem gravit. Act of court will prejudice no one, which means the court will prejudice no one. The court will act as unbiased platform to decide the matter. Clear? So the next legal maxim is arbitrium est judicium. An award is a judgment. Award. As we all know that we have court and another platform is tribunal. In court, when the trial is complete, when the civil proceedings are complete, the court pronounce the judgment. Whereas in tribunal, while the tribunal considering all the facts at the end of the point, at the end of the proceedings, it pronounced the award. So award and judgment are equivalent. Arbitrium est judicium. एंड अवॉर्ड इज अ जजमेंट. अवॉर्ड भी एक जजमेंट होता है. क्लियर? द नेक्स्ट वन इज रियली रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन. Odi altum partum. This legal maxim says that no one shall be condemned unheard. This is the basis of the principle of natural justice. It is one of the principle of natural justice that no one shall be condemned unheard. Means the court or the tribunal will hear both the parties, will not pronounce any order or judgment without hearing the another party. Clear? So it is the basis of principle of natural justice. Right? So the next one is amicus curiae. This is very common maxim. Friend of court or a person, usually an advocate appointed to assist the court on a particular finding or observation. जब कोर्ट किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन को, ये यूजुअली एडवोकेट्स ही होते हैं, उनको अपॉइंट करते हैं to assist the court itself for finding or observing any particular specific fact. So that person is known as amicus curiae. The next one is acta exterior indicant interior secreta. An act indicate the intention. Very good word, intention. As we all know, intention is an abstract concept. Can we see the intention? The answer is no. Then how we will come out to know about the particular person has the intention for doing any specific act or not? Very simple, by taking the act into consideration, by taking his conduct into consideration. This is what this legal maxim is all about. Acta exterior indicant interior secretum. Act indicate the intention. Hope it is clear. So the last one is accuser nemo se jet nisi curam deo. No one is bound to accuse himself except before the court. Article 20, Clause 3 of the Constitution of India makes it as a fundamental right that a person cannot be compelled to become a witness against himself, or in other words we can say that any person cannot be compelled to give the statement incriminating himself. Clear? Article 20, Clause 3. This is the fundamental right of every person. Accuser nemo se tet nisi curam jo. No person is bound to accuse himself except before God. So these were the legal maxims in this class. We will discuss about some more maxims, the important one only, in the next class. Thanks for watching.